This is the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid PHEV 2016 model year, 7th generation. And lots of people ask, how can I get to the battery when the battery is completely dead? I need to go through the trunk, and the trunk may not work because this is an electric lock, and the electric lock will not work when the battery is completely dead. So the battery is located here, and to jump start it, you actually need to get to that battery, get to the positive and negative terminals to connect your battery booster or some charging equipment or jumping cables. So you will need to get to the battery. But how can you get to the battery if you can't open the trunk? The question is not as easy as it may seem, because in this exactly vehicle I can't even fold the seats. So there is no way to fold these seats at all. Even if I try to get to the trunk through this space, it's impossible. Like in many other cars, it's impossible. So there is a wall. And actually, there is not even possible to lower that seat from the trunk. As you see, I don't have the levers that many other cars have to lower the seats. So how can you get to the battery when it's completely dead? In this 2016 model year, there is only one way to do this. You need to get to the fuse box, and you need to get a battery booster or some other 12-volt battery to send 12-volt power to the system. And these are the battery plus connectors. So you may use your positive connection here, and the negative connection is one of these bolts. For example, the negative connection is any ground, so you may take any ground, but this is the perfect place. So you connect your negative here, positive here, and your car starts getting power. So you may open the trunk, you may replace the battery, charge the battery, jump start the battery. You may just start the vehicle after you do this. After you connect 12-volt power here, you may start the vehicle, and the high voltage system will start charging your 12-volt battery. In later model years, you will have a dedicated positive battery connector here in the fuse box, but pre-2017, I believe, they just don't have it. They have these two connections. I don't even know what they connect, but doesn't matter. So these are the battery plus connectors, and you can use them for jump starting this vehicle.